G'day everyone, it's time. Our cheddar has been maturing for 8 weeks, which is the absolute minimum we should do it for, and we can't wait any longer. So we're going to chop it open and see if we succeeded in making cheese, real cheese. I'm looking forward to this. Hang about, let's have a look. Right, so I'm nervous. We're going to chop it in half. It seems to be slicing nicely. And there we go. I'm going to re-wax half of this. A fair bit of bubbles in there. Not sure it's meant to, but right. So there it is there. Let's chop it here. Texture seems good. Smells like cheese. Let's get the wax off because we're actually going to reuse the wax. I read we can do that. We remelt the wax and put it through a cheesecloth. So now comes a really important part. One piece of cheddar. Tastes like cheddar. That's nice. Very mild still, but what does a lady curmudgeon think?
Very nice.
It has a cheddary taste, but I think it needs longer.
Well, Rufus, Rufus might want to try some. Should have his opinion.
You want this, Rufy? You want this? Say please. Yep, he likes it. So, what do we think? I think it needs much more maturing. It's certainly cheese. I like it, it's quite good. But again, I think it needs maturing. So, I think success, but it does need more than the 8 weeks we left that. That's good. I'm happy now. We've got a cheese that works. Enjoy life. I'll catch you in a cheese shop.